स्थापकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतं सकं विलासिलोकरक्षकम्।
Hello everyone, I am Anita from Basareddy BA and BCom College, Samke Nagar, Dharwad. Okay, I am handling cost accounting subject for BCom 6th sem student. Last class we have discussed the problems based on output costing, how to calculate simple and estimated cost sheet. In this class I am going to discuss with you all the another topic, that is operating costing. Okay, what is operating costing? Operating costing is nothing but the service rendered industries. ಯಾವ ನಮಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, ಬಸ್, ಟ್ರಕ್, ಆ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥವ್ರು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ is a method by which a cost of rendering services is to ascertain a system which it is used with a regarding undertaking which rendering services rather than a manufacturing a product. Product manufacturing ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ರೆಂಡರ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ದಿ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರಿಬೋದು. ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 3 cost. First one is fixed cost, second one is semi variable cost, and the third one is variable cost. The first one is fixed cost, second one is semi variable cost, and the third one is variable cost. Variable cost. Let us discuss one by one. Fixed cost. The name itself says that it is fixed in all the standards. It is there are the expenses in the field in the nature. Thus, the expenses have to be increased whether the vehicle operation is or not. ಇದೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಬಿಡಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್. ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಮಿ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಇನ್ಕರ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ರಿಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್. ರಿಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಏನೇನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಸೆಮಿ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಸೆಮಿ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್. ದ ನೇಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಸೇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವೇರೀಸ್ the expenses incurred on the actual running of a vehicle. Vehicle the cost, petrol, diesel, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ example of the variable cost. I hope you understood the 3 types cost. The first one is fixed, second one is the semi variable, third one is variable. The next one is the format of operating cost sheet. Format of operating cost sheet. Operating cost sheet. 3 columns. Particular inner column and the outer column. Rupees. Total cost. The first one is fixed cost. In that, the first cost is interest on capital, okay. The next one is insurance, okay. The next one is road tax, The next one is supervisor salary. supervisor salary. The next one is office expenses. Office expenses. The next one is salary to the driver and the conductor. Salary to the driver and conductors. Okay, the next one is depreciation. Depreciation. Okay, depreciation is given when on the basis of time. These are the fixed costs. The first one is interest on capital, insurance, road tax, supervisor's salary, office expenses, salary to the driver and the conductors. The next one is depreciation on the basis of time. Okay, these are the fixed costs. The second one is semi-variable cost. Semi-variable cost. In that, the first one is repairs and maintenance. Repairs and maintenance. Okay. The next one is workshop expenses. Okay, the next one is painting. Okay, the next one is replacement of tube and tire. Replacement of tire. These are the semi-variable costs. Repairs and maintenance, workshop expenses, painting, replacement of tire and the tube. The next one is third cost is variable cost. In that, the first one is cost of petrol and the diesel. Cost of petrol and diesel. Okay. The next one is oil. The next one is depreciation. Depreciation on the basis of kilometers. On the basis of kilometers. Okay. The total fixed cost, semi-variable cost and the variable cost is called as total operating cost. Total operating cost, fixed cost, semi-variable cost and the variable cost. Total total operating cost. The next one is working notes. The first working note. Calculation of operating cost per kilometer. Calculation of cost per kilometer is equal to total operating cost divided by total kilometers. Total operating cost divided by total kilometers. The next one is calculation of depreciation. Depreciation, cost of asset plus installation, cost of asset first plus installation minus scrap divided by lifetime of the asset divided by estimated life of the asset. Okay, the next working out number 3, calculation of cost per passenger kilometer. Calculation of cost per passenger kilometer is equal to total operating cost divided by total operating cost divided by total passenger kilometers. Total operating cost divided by total passenger kilometers. Okay, these three are the working notes. After calculating the operating cost, we have to prepare these two working notes. Depend upon the question. Kilometer ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ kilometer calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. If passenger kilometers ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ passenger kilometer. Depreciation ಅಂತೂ we have to calculate it. ಇಲ್ಲಿ depreciation on the basis of time, ಇಲ್ಲಿ depreciation on the basis of the kilometer. I hope you understood the format and the working note and the three types of the cost. There are three types. The first one is fixed, second one is semi variable, third one is a variable. Okay, the first working note is calculation of cost per kilometer, total operating cost divided by total kilometers. The second one is calculation of second one is calculation of depreciation, cost of asset plus installation charges minus sale of scrap divided by estimated life of the asset. The third one is calculation of total passenger kilometer, total operating cost divided by passenger kilometers. Okay, the next one is, let us start the problem number 1 based on operating cost sheet. Okay, calculate the cost per mile of a vehicle. The first one is depreciation rupees 1667 per miles, garage rent rupees 1200 per month per annum, insurance charges rupees 400 per annum, road tax rupees 500 per annum, driver wages rupees 400 per month, cost of petrol rupees 8400, tire and tube expenses rupees 0.40, estimated annual miles 10,000 miles. Okay, I hope you understood the question. Depend upon the given information, we have to classify the costs fixed, semi variable and variable. The first one is depreciation. It depend upon the miles. If on the basis of kilometer and the miles they have mentioned, we have to consider it is in a variable cost. Okay, the garage rent is fixed, insurance fixed, road tax fixed, driver wages fixed, cost of petrol variable. Next, tire and maintenance semi variable. Estimated we have to calculate. Okay, the difference ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು tire ಗೆ 0.4 into 10,000 ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, the next we have to calculate the operating cost sheet. Operating cost sheet. 3 columns. The first one is particulars, second one is inner column, third one is outer column. Particulars, rupees, total cost, rupees. The first head is fixed cost. Fixed cost, the first one is garage rent. Garage rent. Garage rent is 1,200 per annum. The next one is insurance charges. Charges rupees 400. The next one is road tax. Road tax is 500 per annum. The next one is driver wages. Wages 400 into 10,000. 400 into, sorry, per month andala 12. 400 into 12, 4,800. Okay. I hope fixed costs are over. Add 1,200 plus 400 plus 500 plus 4,800, 6,900. Okay, the second head is semi-variable cost. In that, the first one is tire and maintenance. Tire maintenance. Tire and maintenance. 0.4 into total mileage 10,000. Okay. 0.4 into 10,000. 4,000. Directly they are writing the outer column because only one variable cost. The third one is variable cost. In that, depreciation and the cost of petrol. Depreciation rupees 1,667. The second one is cost of petrol. $8,400. Add these two values, that is 10,067. Add fixed cost plus semi-variable cost plus variable cost, will get the total operating cost. Total operating cost is 20,967. 20,967 is our operating cost. Okay. Fixed costs are garage rent, insurance charges, road tax, driver wages. Driver wages they are mentioned per month, so that we have to multiply 400 into 12 because all the expenses are there in the per annum or the per year. This driver wages is in the month, so that we have to convert it into the per month into per annum. 400 into 12, that is 4,800. 1,200, 400, 500, 4,800, 6,900. Tire and tube or miscellaneous expenses 0.4 rupees into total mileage is 10,000, that is 4,000. The next one is variable depreciation. It's in the term of miles or the kilometers, so that we have to take it in the variable cost. Depreciation 1,667 and the cost of petrol is 8,400. 1,667 plus 8,400, 10,067. Add fixed cost, semi-variable and variable, will get the total cost, that is 20,967. Next they have to calculate, they have given in the question to calculate the cost per mile. So working out number 2, calculation of cost per mile. Per miles is equal to total operating cost divided by total operating cost divided by total mileage or miles. Total miles. Total operating cost is 20,967 divided by total mile is 10,000. 10,000. The answer is 2.0967 per miles. Per miles. I hope you understood. The calculation of cost per miles is equal to total operating cost divided by total miles. Total operating cost is 20,967 divided by total mileage is 10,000 miles. Okay, 20,967 divided by 10,000, that is 2.0967 per miles is our cost per miles. I hope you understood the problem. Very simple problem. In the next time the total passenger kilometer calculate ಮಾಡೋದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು next session ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕೂಡ ಆ sums ಅನ್ನು. It is number of buses, number of trucks. If they have given buses ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗೈತಿ, or number of trucks ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ trucks, number of trucks, number of days into sitting capacity into percentage of sitting capacity. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ first we have to calculate total passenger kilometer ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗೈತಿ. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಸ್, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಇಂಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಸ್. If in case in the truck, loading charges by loading capacity and percentage of loading capacity. Simple problem. For 5 marks ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸೆಂಜರ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಟ್ರಕ್ಸ್ ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ 15 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ಗಳ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಇನ್ಕರ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ರಿಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟೈರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಪರ್ವೈಸರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವೆ. ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್, ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್, ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಸೆಮಿ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗೈತಿ. ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಿ ಪ್ಯಾಸೆಂಜರ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್. ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ನು ಮೈಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೈಲ್ಸ್, ಇನ್ನು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮೈಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ ಮೈಲ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದಿ ಬಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಟ್ರಕ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಕ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ದಿ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್, types of operating cost, then format of operating cost, then the last one is the format and problems based on simple problem based on operating cost sheet, and the next one is how to calculate the cost per mile. Next session I will explain the different problems based on the operating cost sheet. Thank you.